Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in CapCut. Now let's open up CapCut and tap on New Video on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Let's say I just wanted to bring in this video. I'm going to tap on Add, and I wanted to add a voiceover while this video plays. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is if this video is selected, aka it's highlighted in white, we need to make sure it is not selected. So at the bottom left here, tap on that little arrow if you see the arrow. And now you can see the menu at the bottom changes. And now we want to choose audio here. From audio, you can see it says extract or sounds or sound effects. But we have two different options. One is record or an AI voiceover, which is brand new. If you wanted to record your own voice, just tap on the record button. And now it says tap or press and hold to record. So make sure the video is where you want to start the voiceover, let's say here. And if I just tap on it and hit allow, now I can essentially, let me tap on it again, wait till it counts down. And now I can start to record my voice. You can see here is my voice at the very bottom, and I'll tap on it again. And just like that, I have added that voiceover on here. You'll be able to see, oh, I might have deleted it. So just tap and hold, and then basically do the voiceover. Keep in mind, after you do this voiceover and hit the check mark, you can select the voiceover, and you can choose to change the volume. You can do audio effects. You can enhance the voice or isolate the voice. You have a bunch of different options to be able to edit and change that voiceover after you've added it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.